Hey there, carvers and soon-to-be carvers. Wood carving, it's one of those hobbies that looks complicated until you actually try it. And then you realize it's basically the most relaxing, satisfying, and downright addictive thing you can do with a piece of wood and a sharp blade. Today we're going to look at 5 super easy, beginner-friendly ways to start carving right now. No giant workshop, no years of experience, and no expensive wall of tools required. Just you, some wood, and the excitement of making something with your own hands. Let's jump in. When you break it down, wood carving is surprisingly simple. You can go from total beginner to making something beautiful in a weekend. You don't need a huge workshop, you don't need years of training, and you definitely don't need to start with a giant log and a chainsaw unless you're carving a totem pole. Most of us start small, and we mean literally small, with just a few basic tools and easy small projects that fit in the palm of your hand. You can do it in a workshop, at your kitchen table, or even sitting outside on a sunny afternoon. The basic recipe? A carving tool, usually a knife to start, a soft wood like basswood or butternut, a little safety gear so you keep all your fingers where they belong, and you're ready to go. So instead of overthinking it, pick one of these easy ways and start making some chips. So number 1, grab yourself a DIY carving kit. These kits are perfect for beginners because everything is in the box. The knife, the wood, the safety gear, even the pattern and step-by-step instructions. It takes out all the guesswork. No wondering if you bought the right tool or the right wood. You just open it, follow along, and carve. Plus, you end up with a finished project you can keep or give as a gift. And let's be honest, sometimes nothing feels better than pointing to something on your shelf and saying, "Yeah, I made that." If you want a little more freedom in what you carve, go with a starter tool set. You'll usually get a couple of different knives, maybe a hook knife or a gouge for spoons, kuksas, and bowls. The contents can vary. Some tool sets come with a leather strop and polishing compound because yes, keeping your tools sharp is half the fun. Others might include soft wood blocks so you can start right away. And some sets have it all. Tools, wood, and sharpening gear in one box. Once you've got your set, you can carve whatever pops into your head. Animals, spoons, ornaments, little gnomes, you name it. Way number 3, use free patterns. There are plenty of good sources online, including Beavercraft's own free pattern collection with hundreds of templates for every skill level. You just print them, tape them onto your wood, and start carving. Patterns take away that, what do I make? Feeling and give you a clear guide, especially if you're not confident drawing your own designs yet. Plus, it's kind of fun to watch a simple piece of wood slowly transform into something real just by following the lines. Number 4, carve along with video tutorials. Seriously, there's something for everyone on platforms like YouTube or even Instagram Reels, from basic spoon carving to detailed figure carving. It's like having a personal carving coach right in your living room. You can pause, rewind, and watch the tricky cuts as many times as you need. Find a beginner project, grab your knife and wood, and follow along step by step. Before you know it, you'll have your first finished carving and probably a list of 5 more you want to try next. And finally, number 5, just grab a knife and start whittling. It's the simplest and most beginner-friendly style of carving. If you don't have a dedicated carving knife, you can use a pocket knife or a small camping or bushcraft knife. Just make sure it feels comfortable in your hand and is easy to control. No patterns, no pressure, just shave, slice, and shape the wood bit by bit, feeling it transform under your hands and see where the wood takes you. This is great for when you're on a picnic, out in nature, waiting for a friend, or even just need to unplug for a while. Some of the coolest carvings we've seen started as random whittling with zero plan. It's pure creativity, and honestly, it's a great stress buster. So there you go, 5 easy, fun ways to start wood carving today. Whether you like to be fully stocked with all the tools and materials or just want to whittle away on the porch, the important thing is to just start. The more you carve, the more fun it gets, and you'll be surprised at how quickly your skills grow. Once you catch the carving bug, you'll never look at a piece of wood the same way again. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the Beavercraft channel, and check out the links in the description for beginner-friendly kits, tools, and free patterns to get you carving today. Now go make some chips, and we'll see you in the next video.